guys, the very first Lone Star STOL competition. It is going to be a great day. And I would like to bring over here our primary sponsors, Aviat Husky.
Well, my name's Earl Polenz. I'm with the factory where we build the world's greatest bush plane.
Well, I appreciate it. Did you bring this weather down from Alaska? Because it looks a lot similar.
A little more in my favor when we play it like this, so we're happy. This is going to be challenging conditions today. This crosswind is going to make it tough. It's going to be a great day, and we're just glad to be here.
Bush Pilots of Alaska and Canada operating initially. Usually two-place airplanes. This is the Super Cubs, the Christian Huskies, the meat and potatoes of backcountry flying. This will be good competitions out here. Husky Aviation, our primary sponsor, is about to put their airplanes on display. Beautiful airplane, look at that, gorgeous. Full power, listen to that. Oh, sets the takeoff of the day for the Bush class, well representing our title sponsor. But here comes our beautiful red and black Husky. He needs a good one, he knows it. Oh, that was looking great. That was short. Let me get my Kleenex out, wipe the judge's glasses just a bit. Our second competitor carries it over, gets it to the line. Nicely done, up on the mains. Play those brakes, play it, play it, play it. Oh, that's gonna be a good one. Here's 70 Lima Lima. This beautiful Husky is for sale. Those big bush wheels rolling through the water, no problem getting airborne. Well, here's one of our old classic Huskies. Gets it stopped pretty well. Nice landing, good stop. That is a production airplane. Nothing modified, that is off the showroom floor. That is why CC has won Oshkosh. She has won Valdez STOL. All right, Bush class. Third place is Mr. Todd Christensen and his Aviat Husky. There we go.